7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3. 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and 5, 2, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. There you go. Yeah. How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here, and welcome back to another Tyler Teaches, where I teach you some of my favorite tricks and steps. Today, we're going over one of my favorite core movements in all of Irish dancing. I call it the skip 2-3. Other people call it a hop 1-2-3. Depending on where you've picked up Irish dancing, you might call it something different. Maybe comment down below what you call it. But in any case, we're going to be going over skip 2-3s today. It's a very important movement to understand as you're learning Irish dancing. It's everywhere. It's all over the place in teams Irish dancing or group Cayley dancing, but it's also seen a lot in soft shoe and hard shoe solo dancing in Irish dancing. So super useful, super important. So we're gonna go over that today. I always have to say this knee is tired. We're gonna switch to this knee. Always kind of a side note, just a reminder for those out there who've learned it different ways. I'm going to show you kind of how I would interpret a skip 2-3, how I've learned it, what has worked best for me. It's not the end-all be-all best way. This is how it's done no matter what. Others may do it a different way. This is what helped me understand them. So if it works, great for you. If not, oh, sorry. Before we get started though, just a shout out to FEIS APP for letting us use their music. Fantastic source for Irish dance music to practice to. If you want to learn more about FEIS APP, there's a description down below. If you'd like to support the channel further, you can become a patron of this channel or join the channel. Little join button down below. Supporting the channel like that helps me dedicate more time each week to making videos like this. I sure appreciate that. Thank you for joining us, and thank you for hanging out with me today. Yeah, appreciate it. Let's dive into these skip 2-3s. So we're breaking it down like very simple, like very basics to start. Okay, we're not gonna do anything crazy today. It's more beginner friendly. So we've got whitey, righty, and my left sock is my black sock. Okay, so you know which foot is which when we're talking about this, whether on this profile or to the back or wherever. We all know what skips are. Like if I said go skip down the hall, you'd probably skip like this, yeah? There's two sounds that are associated with that. You have your landing and your front foot landing down. Skip down, skip down, skip down, right? So if I I'd hear those sounds, right? So that is a big part of what a skip 2-3 is actually. So I want you to just, before we dive into it, just give a few skips up and down the floor. Just like, okay, that's my skip, you know, if I'm just skipping down the hall, that's, yep. Now if I said, kick your butt in between each one. So as you're bringing your foot forward, try and kick your bum with that leading out foot. Up, down. It's a little clunkier, right? It's a little bit trickier to do. But this is kind of essentially a big part of what skip 2-3s are. The skip essence of it is right there, okay? So hold on to that idea, if you will, that we are skipping. And to give more of an Irish dance form to it, we would kick our bums in between each of those skips, okay? So now, walking it through what the actual footwork of this is, let's put our right foot in front and our left foot in back. We're gonna start off with a step out. We're gonna bring our left foot together, and we're gonna step right back out again, okay? So our 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, following this, actually, let's slow it down even further. Our 1, 2, 3. Now with the left foot. 1, 2, 3. switch, 1, 2, 3. Okay, walk up and down the floor like that. 1, 2, 3, and left foot, 1, 2, 3, in the wall, but right, 2, 3, and left, 2, 3, and right, 2, 3, and left, 2, 3, and right, 2, 3. Try and pick your heels off the floor. Again, that's a main staple of Irish dancing, whether it's hard shoe or soft shoe, we are off our heels. It helps us become more nimble. It helps isolate the rhythms that we want as well in the hard shoe, because our heels do make noise, but then it keeps us quick in the soft shoe as well. So try and do that again with your heels off the floor. Right together, right. Switch, left together, left. Switch, right together, right. Cool. Now try and do that same thing, and we're going to kick our bums in between on that passing moment. Right together, right. Butt kick, left together, left. Butt kick, right together, right kick, butt kick, right kick, sorry. Left together, left. Butt kick, right together, right. Butt kick, left together, left. Butt kick. All right, cool. If any of this is like going over your head, or if you're like, wait, what's happening? Why are we doing that? What happened? You can always rewind it back in the YouTube. You can always play things back in half speed as well, or quarter speed, or this, or whatever speed you need the playback to be. You can also play it at 2 times the speed if I'm talking too slow. You're like, all right, I get it, move on. One of the great things about YouTube. So I try to keep it a nice neutral speed, so you can choose whether to go faster or slower. Yeah. So we're gonna then now go, and we're gonna add a hop. So we're gonna go right together, right. And when we are gonna kick our butt with our left, we're gonna hop with our right. Hop, left together, left. Right up, left hop. Right together, right. Hop, left together, left. Hop, right together, right. Hop, left together, left. Hop. Okay, so we're adding to this, we're building this skip 2, 3 movement as we go. And we're doing pretty well so far, I'm saying. Yeah, pass on back for that. We're already in a great place with our skip 2, 3. So again, rewinding all the way back to when I was like, just skip down the floor. This hop, skip, hop, skip, hop, skip. And then with the butt kicks, hop, skip, hop, skip, hop, skip. You should be seeing and feeling some continuity there, some connections between what we're doing right now. It's very like precise footwork versus just a skip, you know. There's some similarities there, and I want you to connect the two together. So now when we go step together, step, hop, step together, step, hop, step together, step, hop, step together, step, hop, step together, step, hop. That's where we're doing our skip. So people would call it, well, they start skip 2, 3, hop, skip 2, 3, hop, skip 2, 3, which I always found kind of weird because the skip part is actually the hop. 1, 2, 3, skip 2, 2, 3, skip 3, 2, 3. I'd almost say that'd be a better way to count it, but I don't know. I actually learned it the other way around, but I feel like it should be reversed. I don't know. Gotta love Irish dancing for that, right? But yeah, again, let's practice this again. 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3, and right 2, 3. Skip 2, 2, 3. Skip right 2, 3. Skip left 2, 3. Skip right 2, 3. If you run out of space, just turn it right back around. Or if you have lots of space, then you can just keep going in a straight path. Or you can go in a nice little circle. 2, 3, and left together, left, hop, right together, right, hop, left together, left, hop, right together, right, hop, left together, left, hop, right together, right, hop, left together, left, hop, down. And there you go. And there's your skip 2, 3. Pretty much. Now, when you get into the more advanced levels of it and whatnot, some people will actually like leave the floor and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3. Like they'll go even further with it. But I mean, this is just a beginner introduction to what skip 2, 3s are. There's a lot of elements that can be brought up even further than this and that, you know, but this is again just talking through what the actual movements are and what we're looking for when we're first learning this. So again, stepping together, we want to close off that gap and step again. And then as we're pressing out onto that 1, 2, 3, on the 3, we want to press off that floor and push into the next part. And that's where our skip is. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3. Don't use the arms like I'm doing, but just to make a point, that's where we push and we skip off the floor. So how that would sound to music, let's try that to music. So let's do a reel. Five, 6, 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. So you're right on those counts. Pretty straightforward. One more time. 6 and 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, and 5, 2, 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 8, 2, 3. There you go. Yeah, it's pretty fast. So if you want to hit the playback at like a half speed or 3/4 speed, if you want to practice that with me to music. And then just another great example would be like a jig. Whoop. 4, 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, same idea. 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Skip 2, 3, skip 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, skip, and 1, 2, skip, and 1, 2, skip. 1, 2, 3. There you go. So same idea, different timing, different tempo, but you can do skip 2, 3s to pretty much every tune if you wanted to. Challenge yourself and see which ones it works to. But skip 2, 3s, super important movement piece. Definitely for Kaylee work and team group dancing, but then even in soft shoe and hard shoe, there's elements of that throughout. If you're learning Irish dancing, it's a very heavily used movement piece. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, leave a like, comment down below what you thought, what you'd like to learn next. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I would appreciate that. And yeah, buy a shirt or become a patron of the channel if this is a really, if you'd like to support the channel further. I really appreciate that. If you're enjoying the dancing, loving it in your living room or wherever you're learning this from, I highly also recommend to Google the closest Irish dance studio near you and give it a shot in person with other people. Nothing better than learning it in a community of other Irish dancers. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Happy dancing, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.
Huge shout out and thank you to everyone who's taken their support of this channel to the next level, either by becoming a patron over on Patreon or becoming a member of the channel. For more information about how you can support the channel more, check the description below the video. Thanks and have a good one.